So guys, fellow runners, sa mga mahilig sumali sa fun run dyan, here's something I want to share. Ito yung medal na nakuha ko from the Conqueror events. Nauso to post-pandemic, just when everything was going back to normal. Mga public activities like running, jogging, cycling. And here's how it looks inside. You're actually gonna purchase this online. You're gonna register for an account. And then you're gonna start running so that you can rack up those kilometers or those miles. So let me show you what's inside. This is the Singapore medal that we got. Ang requirement for this is 80 kilometers, pero ang kagandahan dyan is it's accumulated distance. So whether you're walking, running, or even cycling, for those with higher distance requirements, you have 2 years to finish this. You can actually set your own goal, 3 months, 6 months if you're a bit competitive. And then ayun nga, accumulated distance siya. And ang gandaan dito, you can use whatever app you're using, Nike, Strava, Garmin, etc. etc. Actually, naka-promo to. I didn't pay for anything except the shipping fee, which is around 500, 600, na mas mura pa rin kesa sa registering for a fun run these days. And it's how the medal looks. So, it's just one of the ways to keep yourselves motivated and say that, you've earned something while staying fit at the same time. And again, ang theme ng medal ko is Singapore. There's actually a lot of virtual medals available online. And they feature a lot of places, Paris, Japan, United States, etc., etc. It's a good way to keep yourselves motivated, like what I said, and to stay fit. But not only that, meron silang virtual tour dun sa kanilang The Conqueror Challenges app. So every kilometer you log, you advance doon sa iyong progress, and then you have virtual postcards, you have nice info about the place, like for me, Singapore. So imagine kahit sa subdivision ka lang tumatakbo or sa mga park or sa kayo tumatakbo, Ayala Triangle Gardens or Ortigas, BGC, you make every mile count, you make every kilometer count. Kasi nare-register yan sa account nyo, it piles up, and then you get something for it. You get rewarded, diba? That's one good way to keep pushing yourselves and to stay motivated. And the best part about this medal is, as you can see, this is the Merlion, the iconic figure in Singapore. But if I do this, boom, you have the gardens right here, diba? Nice memento, nice something to collect, especially kung mahilig nga kayo sa fun run, you like collecting medals. Dagdag nyo na rin to sa mga challenges ninyo. Again, this is the Conqueror events, available online. Actually, madali silang kausapin. You can send them an email, you can message them sa kanilang socials. So there you have it, the Conqueror events.